Aloha and welcome to Chef Chai. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fish escabeche. Technically it's a sweet and sour for Filipino. And the fish because of you can use any fish you like at home, but because the theme is Filipino, so we're going to stay with the tilapia. So this one, when you go to the market, you can find different type of tilapia. This one is a golden tilapia. It's all yellow and red. It's farm raised on the Big Island. It's have much nicer flavor. It doesn't have a lot of a bite. Sometimes the black one, the dark one, tend to have a little bit stronger, fishier aroma. This one doesn't have it. It's almost like a snapper at a half of the price. So what we want to do is we want to score the fish. This way, when you fry it, it'll be crispier. Now, different people, cut differently. Sometimes people, they just make all score all on side. Sometimes we can make it like this. Just make it shorter and then just, so you can do it either way. I just prefer this way. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fry this in a hot pan. So be careful because the oil oil have to be really, really hot. So it should be about 375 or so. So yeah, that's a hot pan. So how much oil you have, if you put more, it's always better, but it can be very dangerous, so be careful. So the fish will take about 10 minutes or so, 5 minutes on each side to cook until it turns to a golden brown. So I'm going to show you how to make the sauce. So after you fry the fish about 5 minutes on each side, when you turn, oh, you see how nice it's kind of nice and golden. This is the perfect. Nice and golden brown. So while they're frying on the other side, I'm going to show you how to make the sauce. A little bit of oil. Then we saute this garlic. I put garlic. And it's all depends on how high the heat, right? So you don't want, with this one, you don't want to start with the heat too high because you're going to burn the garlic. So after we put the garlic, we're going to add the ginger. We're going to add a little bit of pineapple. Now, in Philippines, they don't use any pineapple. So but since we're in Hawaii, I thought pineapple have such a nice touch and a good flavor to the dish. Then we're going to let them saute for a few minutes. So I'm going to add a little bit of carrot also. Then we're just going to add a chicken stock or hot water, whatever you have. And then since the dish is sweet and sour, so you're going to add a little bit of vinegar. Now you don't have a vinegar, you can use a lemon juice, you can use a lime juice, and then we're going to add sugar. It looks like a lot of sugar because the dish is sweet and sour, so you need a lot of sugar in there. Then we're going to season with the patis or fish sauce. Again, if you don't have it, you can use salt. Then we're going to season a little bit of black pepper. And for color, I like to use ketchup, so I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup in there. Now we're going to let the sauce boiling. And the fish is cooked nicely, perfectly. You know what? I have time. I might want to turn around the side again. See how nice and golden brown the fish. The sauce is just about done, so we're going to add a little bit of some people like to saute it first, but to me the bell pepper is so easy to cook, I add it at the end. Red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and onion. And then we're just going to taste the sauce a little bit. Oh, perfect. It has the sweet, perfect for the fish. This one is really good. So easy to make. Then you're going to put these. The sauce is ready, so we're going to turn the heat off. Then we're gonna put the sauce white all over the fish. Now we're gonna garnish with a little bit of green onion curl. To make green onion curl is very simple. You just want to get cut the onion about a couple inches or so. Then you just then you want to rinse in a little bit of cold water. After you put in the water, it will be like this. So this is our golden tilapia escabeche or sweet and sour Filipino style.